Wow. Makes me happy. Is this recipe guaranteed to give you a taste of France? Mais oui.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make escargot, aka snails. You've got snails. Escarflone. Not everyone's going to get that reference. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's make some snails. Let us escargot to it. Is that a French accent? Let us escargot to it. It's like GSP. First up, let's make some compound butter. Not to be confused with compound V. Homelander. Anywho. Shallot. Magic Man. Magic Man. We're about to get in shallot trouble. Hi. Ooh. Nice. 1 shallot, diced. Next up, parsley. That's fresh. Ah! Don't worry, I'm gonna clean it.
Or am I?
Give you a parsley rough chap. It's like a drum line. Don't do that. Yeah. Yes. We're gonna do 4 cloves of garlic. Crush your garlic. You're adopted and your real parents don't love you. You'll never be a professional athlete even though you've practiced your whole life. Your girlfriend doesn't respect you. No one forgot that time you lost your pants on the swing set. Garlic crushed. Bowl. I'm gonna use 2 sticks of butter here. I'm gonna put in the shallots and the parsley and the garlic. Now give it a good mix. You better believe it. Little freshly cracked boofle doofs. Why did the Chardonnay's friend stop hanging out with him? Because he never stopped whining. About a teaspoon to a tablespoon of white wine and a couple pinches of salt. Compound butter. Easy. If you're not comfortable using email, snail mail is just fine. Snails. What's Tony Sopranos' favorite food? Escargot yourself a gun. Oh, it's a retirement community. Make some really cool armor with this. I'm gonna line a dish with some compound butter, just like that. Just like that. Then I'm gonna lay down some escargots. Escargots are good. Oh my God, it's Gary. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Evidently not Gary anymore. I'm also gonna put in a bit of the butter on top of each snail. 375, 15 minutes, go. Ooh. Hey. We're gonna chop a little bit of parsley for a garnish, because everyone likes to be garnished. You're gonna be a garnish later. Slice a little bread also, why not? If you're not sure what to do with the end piece, it makes a great nose. Kitty or little hat. For cats. You're a master baker. Okay. Now pull it out. Ooh boy. A little bit of fresh parsley on top. Couple nice slices of bread. What happened to the escargot that told his boss to f off? Let's just say that was the snail in the coffin. And now I eat you. Oh boy. Reminds me of home. Oh, God. It's so easy and it's so good. Yep. And you just put that in here. We're just gonna let the bread hang out there for a second. Wow. Makes me happy. Yeah. Thank you for your sacrifice, Gary. Snailed it. Bye, friends. Wake me up before you go. Good morning. Hello.